So it's gonna be a blackberry smoothie recipe today from Chef Ricardo. All right. I keep saying blackberry, blueberry, blueberry smoothie. All right. Anyway, yeah, I know something doesn't right. Something doesn't add up. Anyway, I will sort out that one today. All right. Yeah. It's some blueberry. We're gonna make a lovely smoothie in the morning, and honestly, it's nice to have something fantastic in the morning for breakfast. All right. So right here I have some blueberry, and I'm gonna pour them straight inside. I'm already washed them off, and then clean and nice. All right. So what we're going to do, we'll put that inside of it. I got half a fingers of banana. I'm gonna put that straight inside of it. All right, to get it a smoothie, very smoothie. All right. Secondly, what we're going to do, we're gonna add some coconut milk inside of it. No, almond milk. Sorry, coconut almond milk. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, I don't know what's going on this morning, Chef Ricardo. Lovely. So it's not gonna be a long video. It's gonna be just a short and spicy video in the morning, because we all know that we have to do things, you know what I mean? You know, healthy and delicious in the morning. All right. So definitely, what I will be doing is it's just going to be a simple recipe, because this one will be very easy. Okay. Now the blueberry, this is what you want to do with the blueberry. All right. This is what you want to do with the blueberry. Blueberry and ripe banana, never go wrong. With some almond milk, you're good to go. All right. So I want you guys just to enjoy that one, and you know what I mean, as I said, please subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. As you can see, yeah, it's gonna be one of these kind of drink which you want to have in the morning. All right. Okay. Secondly, as you can see, I'm already start to prepare everything. So far, we got the blueberry, we got the ripe banana, and also we got some almond milk in it. All right. That is lovely, and that's exactly what we need in the morning. All right. So just gonna simple blend this. So in the morning, it's just good to drink something like this, natural. All right. Okay, that is lovely. All right, trust me, this is just lovely and amazing. So I'm gonna pour this inside of it like that. This is just a lovely smoothie where you can have in the morning, 100%. Yeah, tell you this. All right, we got some seeds, some protein seeds we wanna add to it. So what basically, this is a seed mix. All right. So what we want to do, we want to put some of it, 1 tablespoon in it. All right. Nice one. And then also we got some tropical mixed nuts, which you can also add to it. All right. We're just gonna add this to it. So what you can do is make this for breakfast in the morning. All right. So it look lovely and nice. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah. And then just put some strawberry on top of it like this, and you can have it for breakfast. All right, guys. Beautiful, lovely, and delicious. Trust me, it's just one of these kind of things which you want to have in the morning. 100%. It's just one of these kind of recipe, you said to yourself, you know what? This is exactly what Chef Ricardo needs in the morning for breakfast. Wherever you are, you know what I mean? This is something where basically you have to have something like this in the morning for breakfast. It's just something totally different, fantastic, and an amazing to have in the morning. Alright guys, if you like the recipe, as I said, please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Alright? It's just some simple little recipe like this, guys. It's just something where really amazing for know exactly. We say this is just healthy and delicious. Alright? Beautiful one. And also a very unique recipe from Chef Ricardo. But I want to share with you a fantastic recipe where it's a recipe where I normally, very rare I normally make that kind of recipe, but I want to share with you this morning from the bottom of my heart to you guys, because you know what happened? I do love you guys, and you know what I mean? Yeah, I do love you, and I just want to take the time out to say thank you so much for watching the video. Alright, let's put this aside. I want to make you a delicious drink this morning. Alright, from the bottom of my Chef Ricardo heart, I want to make it this kind of an amazing drink. Alright, so this morning I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this beautiful and an amazing drink from Chef Ricardo. Alright, if you do not like this kind of drink, I would say to you, yeah, please do not. You don't have to make it. You know what I mean? You can always make something totally different. Alright? So basically, another smoothie I'm gonna give you, which you can have. So after you know, when you have your breakfast in the morning, and you can have it for breakfast, or you know what I mean, make sure you drink something warm. Alright? I'm gonna give you another one. I got some strawberry which I just washed off, and I'm gonna put some strawberry straight inside of my blender. Beautiful and nice. Alright? And it's just something similar like that one, but I'm telling you, this is just one of those kind of recipe where you want to make in the morning. Alright, beautiful. So what we're going to do is put some almond milk in it. Alright, a little bit of almond milk, and secondly, you just want to get half a ripe banana. So basically, if you don't like the blueberry, you can use the strawberry. Alright, and it will definitely give it a lovely smoothie look where you are looking for. Alright, now what we're going to do, we're going to just jump straight into this, and we're going to blend it. So if you wake up in the morning and you feel for something for just drink, this is really come handy. You just jump downstairs, get in the kitchen, get some stuff and just blend it up, and you know what I mean, come in just lovely and nice. Alright, then what we're going to do, we're going to blend this. Alright, lovely. Because it's not something where gonna take long for blend. Alright? So basically, you just pour it straight inside of your blender like this. Or inside a cup like this. Alright, look at this, guys. It's just some ripe banana and strawberry. No sugar, no honey, nothing. Natural, organic style. Alright? Then what you want to do is put 1 tablespoon of that beautiful seeds. Alright? So that's the seeds we will be using. That is lovely. Alright? That's the mixed seeds. And then we have some tropical nuts again, which we're gonna also put in it. Alright? Lovely, delicious, and nice. 100%, guys. You will definitely love this and an amazing smoothie in the morning. Guys, to be honest, you know what happened? It's just something different. 100%. Something totally different. And 100%, you guys definitely will love it. Alright? So, please tell a friend. And a friend tell a friend, because we have a lot more recipe coming and a lot more ideas. As you can see it for yourself. That is fantastic. And an amazing one from Chef Ricardo today. Alright? Subscribe is very important. Alright? And sharing the video is very, very important. Alright? So, yeah. It's beautiful, simple, but also delicious. And not only that, we will definitely give you some more